Hi there, my name's Ben Morris and I'm the creator of the Simulation Starter Kit, which is just a side project, engine editor, SDK, plugin, ECS thing. In this video I just wanted to show you how to create an ECS plugin on Linux. Just download the editor from the site, and then once downloaded, make it executable. Just click this checkbox here and then you can launch it, and then once launched just go to Tools, Development, New System Component Plugin, and stick in the plugin name, my plugin, specify the output path and then your system's name and your component's name. Click on Generate, and that's where it's built the source code, generated the source code project too, so we'll go there in Qt Creator. So there's no Qt in the engine, just in the editor, but I use Qt for debugging, and on Linux it's really a nice IDE. So if we browse to that generated code and we open the project by clicking on the CMake list file that was generated for us, click configure. Okay, and then we'll build it, and then while it's building we shall jump to, because we're going to be debugging this, but it's a shared object, basically a library, a DLL on Linux. We need a hosting executable, so we will use the editor. So let's just browse for the editor that we use to generate it, and that's going to host the execution and debugging. So let me just quickly show you. So there's a plugin, so there's our component and our system, and yeah, just the component kind of layout. It's very simple at the minute. Just when you add it to an object, like a game object in kind of this SDK's parlance, that would be like a scene item, then this method is going to get invoked, so you can do stuff when you add it to something or remove it from something. And typically when per frame update it, the system is going to grab all the components for a given type, which is here, and then for each component it's going to call its update method, a render method. Yeah, won't go into that too much, and so yeah, it's kind of simple really. So let's go ahead and run it. So it's just complaining about the editor hosting executable not being not having debug symbols, I think. So the editor launches, and then if we go into systems, hopefully, yeah, we should see our system in there. My system, that's loaded from the plugin. And now if we choose an object in the scene, and we can attach a component, so you can see that it's already got a component attached, the rigid body object component. But now let's see, yep, so there's our my plugin, my component. So if we attach that, hopefully we should jump back into the IDE. Yeah, so we can see that it's just about to get added to this scene item, so we could do specific stuff relating to that, and then the render method's getting called. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's kind of how you add a ECS plugin to the engine, extend the engine by adding your own plugins to it. So when you have one or more plugins, then you'll want to set the plugin paths to load from, so you can configure the additional plugin paths in the engine through this dialog. But yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.